In other news tonight, several people injured after a chaotic collision between cargo trains. A fuel spill causing more trouble on those tracks. Tonight, an investigation into how this happened is underway. The night team's Danielle Garcia is live in Northwest Miami-Dade with more. Danielle.
Yeah, Joe, typically we hear about people in their cars crashing into trains, but tonight, two freight trains crashed into each other here between Miami International Airport and the Dolphin Expressway, causing a huge mess for first responders.
This photo shows the impact after two freight trains collided, resulting in at least one train coming off the tracks. This all happened on the industrial tracks right behind the Miami International Airport. From the traffic cameras, you can see the trains stopped in their tracks. And in the zoomed-in view, you can also see one train is lopsided. Fire rescue said 4 crew members were taken to the hospital with minor injuries. The freight trains belong to a company called CSX, who said an unknown amount of diesel fuel spilled from the trains. According to their website, they transport a variety of things, including biodiesel, ethanol, automobiles, and chemicals, among other equipment. Police roped off several blocks from 57th Avenue to 45th to keep people away while fire crews in the hazmat unit worked to decontaminate the area.
And the transportation company says they're now working with local law enforcement to develop a recovery plan. And at this time, investigators have not said what actually caused this crash. Reporting live in Northwest Miami-Dade, I'm Danielle Garcia, 7 News Night Team.